In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix email in just 5 minutes. If you've recently changed your email or just want to update it in Wix, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's make your online experience smooth and ensure that you're getting all the important updates right in your inbox. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Once you've done that, navigate to your site's dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the command center for your site, where you can manage settings, track your site's performance, and make updates like the one we're doing today. Next, you'll want to locate the account settings. This is where all your personal and login information is housed. Think of it as the hub where you can control everything tied to your account. Within account settings, find the section dedicated to your login information. Here, you'll notice your current email address is displayed. You'll see an edit or a pencil icon next to this email address. Clicking on this icon will allow you to make changes to your email. It's always good to be cautious about who has access to your account settings, so Wix will prompt you to enter your account password. This step is essential for verifying your identity and making sure that you're the one making this crucial change. After confirming your identity, you can now input your new email address. You'll be asked to retype it, just to be sure there aren't any typing errors. It's important to get this right, as this is how Wix will communicate with you moving forward. Once you're certain everything is correct, click Next or Save to finalize the change. This step signifies that you've made the critical updates and are ready for the change to take effect. Wix will then automatically send a verification email to your new email address. The final step involves heading over to your new email inbox. Check for an email from Wix. It should arrive soon after you make the change. Inside that email, you'll find instructions for completing the verification process. This additional step is crucial as it ensures that the email account is valid and operational. And just like that, with a few simple steps, you've updated your email address on Wix. By keeping your contact information current, you ensure that any important notifications or updates Wix needs to send you come directly to your inbox without delay. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials like this one.